Hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm working on my 2008 smart car and I'm replacing this Purge Flow Solenoid. I took off the engine cover, which is behind the engine's behind the seat, in case you didn't know. And you can see this just slips off of these brackets, and I assume this little hose here is gonna slip off of there, and it's got an attachment there. The part I'm having trouble with is detaching. You can see here this little blue gasket moves when you push on it, and the end of it is way back in here behind the alternator, and I am able to unclip it and pull it up a little. See if you can see that blue stripe past my glove. I don't know if you can see that right there. Yep. So it's tough to get to, and I think that is what's making it tough to pull off. I'm pretty sure it just pulls off. If you can see that wiggling, that's the line. There's the little blue clip, which this line which is I believe a fume line. It has a little clip under there, which I've pulled it out from, and I am pushing that blue, but not getting it to slide off. So I'm gonna have to use both hands. Hopefully I can get it to slide off. Slide the new one on, clip it back in there, clip this, the new one in, and slide hopefully this little doohickey, which goes here, won't give me too much trouble. And that should be that. Hopefully that will cause my check engine light to stop being on. Wish me luck. Luck to you. My nose is running. It's a great day for working on a car, though. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you where that is, because and show you the end in case you're struggling with it like I am. You can see it should slide right off. I'm gonna give it some more muscle.